Welcome to a podcast, my podcast. Welcome to a podcast, my podcast.
Excuse me. Welcome to a podcast. Podcast ko to, no?
Podcast mo? Podcast mo?
Podcast natin.
Ang podcast ninyo! Welcome to a podcast, Actor Podcast. Yay! Yan yung A podcast. Gets nyo? Lahat kami A. Corny, no? Anyway, Actor Podcast or A Podcast, this was an idea that came about as early as 2021. Bago pa na uso ang mga podcast. But then, so many things has happened. So, anyway, ito na. Itong isang usap-usapan tungkol sa mga aktor, para sa mga aktor, at syempre para sa mga hindi rin aktor, galing sa mga aktor. Topics can be diverse as, paano ba mag-makeup kung walang makeup artist? Ay, alam natin yan. How to make an audition reel. This is, problem of mine. Hindi ako marunong gumawa ng audition reel. Different acting techniques, pwede rin yung financial literacy, pwedeng pag-usapan yan. Paano ba mag-unwind ang mga aktor? Pwede bang maging actor? Pwede bang maging director ang isang aktor? At marami pang iba. Anyway, listeners can hear from their favorite actors in a relaxed, unfiltered environment where the guard comes down and the real talk begins. These conversations aren't just entertaining, they're deeply humanizing. So they remind us that behind the glamour and the performances are real people with real stories. Ang goal natin sa taping or sa shoot ng Actor Podcast is 2 to 3 episodes a day, 20 minutes per episode. At sino ba ang pwedeng maging host? Or sino ba ang pwedeng gumawa ng Actor Podcast? Actually, hindi lang ako, hindi lang si Angge, hindi lang si Andoy, kayong lahat. You can get in touch with us and tell us if you have any ideas that you want to talk about and we'll help you. Okay, this is for all of us and we invite you to take part in this para malaya at malawak ang ating usapin. Also, we hope to monetize, of course, yung Actor Podcast so that we have funds to put in the other projects that we have. So please, support niyo po yung A Podcast, yung Actor Podcast. Thank you! Thank you! At para rin wala yata yung, wala pa? Okay. Para ibigay sa inyo kung ano pa, what's in store, or what's up Actor's sleeve, let me call on our chairman, Dong Dantes, to give you an idea of what to expect in the coming years sa ating project sa Actor. Dong!